how to add audio or playlist in Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can put or embed an audio player or a playlist player into your website on a Godaddy. So we are going to head over the website and select it, and also we're going to open up the website editor, which is going to be this, and then we are going to add a new section. Click on add section. From here, we're going to see audio and video, which is going to be the first category. We have audio, live stream, podcast, videos. So we are going to focus either on audio or podcast, because a live stream is going to be a streaming of a video. So we are going to have here the audio, but here the unfortunate thing that it is going to be only conventioned with the SoundCloud. So we are going to have two type of layouts for the audio player. We have this one and that one. So we are going to add one of them, and it is going to let you see that it is going to be integrated within SoundCloud. So we are going to have here the SoundCloud embed code, as you can see, also the specific, let's say here, audio. So we are going to head over the SoundCloud, copy or share the embedded code, and you're going to put the player in here. So aside from that, you can go ahead and have another option, which is going to embed maybe a player like this one. So this is a audio player or a playlist player. This playlist player is embedded from Elfsight. So you're going to head over elfsight.com, head over the widgets, and we're going to see the category under the audio. We're going to have audio player, podcast player, radio background. So we're going to use audio player. We're going to create one, as you can see. Then we're going to choose the different layout. As you can see, this one, we have this and that. We have a lot of, as you can see, layouts that we can implement. Basically, you are going to select whatever you want from here, like this one. Continue with the design. You can go ahead and put up the tracks. As you can see, upload them. As you can see here, I have already created the widget. It is implemented, so this is the final version. You're going to click on here, so we are going to either edit or add the track by uploading them, adding them by link from YouTube, or Spotify or whatever. As you can see, we have the implementation of Spotify, Apple Music, and music from YouTube. Then we're going to change the layout as embedded or floating, control the width, the player, you can show up here the controls and etc. And finally, the styles is going to be up to you. When you finish, you're going to click on publish, click on install, and you're going to have the JavaScript here code. So you're going to copy the code on the embedded code, and we're going basically to add a section. We're going to head over files and web, select HTML, add HTML, and then we are going to implement the code. We're going to head over the right side of the screen, click on the custom code, paste your code here, and you're going to see the player extending. That was another option. Now the third option is going to be related to directly the Spotify player of yours. For example, I have here a playlist. So let's have here this playlist, and I am going to share it. So I'm going to head over the playlist, click on share, embed album or embed the playlist. We can go ahead and have the size of it and also the percentage of the width of it. You can go ahead and change the color of the player. Then you're going to show the code. As you can see, it is going to be something like that. We're going to copy it, head over here, paste it, and you're going to see the player showing up just like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.